Aespa's dancing skills in drama, slammed by Korean netizens. What a waste of a performance fee. Aespa recently released a teaser video showcasing a snippet of their upcoming title track, Drama, and revealing some of the choreography as well as part of the track's chorus. However, Korean netizens were quick to slam the group's dancing skills and coordination in the dramatic red-lit video. On November 8, SM Entertainment dropped the Drama teaser on YouTube. While fans seemed pleased with the song itself, saying it suits Aespa's concept, they had issues with the choreography and synchronization in the video. Comments on a viral post on the coup criticized the quartet for looking completely uncoordinated while dancing. The harshest comments stated the dance looked really uncoordinated and questioned if it was done on purpose. Others said you could see they were uncoordinated even more clearly because of the silhouette effect. Some called it a waste of performance fees and said the lack of coordination from the center made it look even worse, but there were also those who didn't really find an issue with the four members being uncoordinated. According to them, perfect synchronization isn't necessary in K-pop. One comment said the Aespa members can dance however they want since synchronized dancing isn't the only style. Another asked if they really needed to be completely in sync. However, most commenters seemed to agree that while complete coordination isn't mandatory, Aespa's execution was lacking. They can just dance however they feel like dancing. Since when did synchronized dancing become the only style in K-pop? It's not the standard. Do they really have to be completely in sync? It kind of sounds like a male group song. I'm excited about the song, but the dance is seriously uncoordinated. The dance, really? If you cover the right side and watch, it's okay. If you cover both the right and left sides and only look at the middle, it's even better. KKKK, you're right. You can see that they're uncoordinated even better because of the silhouette. Ooh, what a waste of a performance fee. The center isn't coordinated, so it looks even more uncoordinated. This video just shows their flaws, but considering how they released it anyway, I guess the company doesn't really care. I mean, they don't have to be completely coordinated. Why are they complaining about it? The SM Entertainment girl group is set to make their first comeback in months with their fourth mini-album, Drama, on November 10. The title track features a rock-inspired sound that netizens felt suited the group's concept. However, the newly released teaser has already faced backlash for what many are calling sloppy and uncoordinated dancing. With high expectations for the Monster rookies, it remains to be seen whether Aespa can win over critics with their full drama choreography and performances. For now, Korean netizens seem largely unimpressed with the girl group's dance skills based on the controversial teaser video.